The value of time. In a quiet village surrounded by green fields and tall trees lived a young boy named Alex. Alex was smart and kind, but he had one big problem. He didn't value time. Every day, he would wake up late, play for hours, and leave his schoolwork until the very last minute. He always said, "There's plenty of time, I'll do later." His parents and teachers warned him, "Time is precious, Alex. Once it's gone, it never come back." But Alex just smiled and said, "Don't worry, I have got time." One Monday morning, Alex's school announced a big competition. It was a science fair, and the winner would get a medal, a certificate, and a chance to visit the city science center. Alex was excited. "I will win," he shouted. "This is my chance." He decided to make a model of a windmill. It was a great idea, and his teacher praised him. "This is a smart project, Alex," she said. "But remember, the fair is in 2 weeks. Don't waste time. Start working today." Alex nodded, but as usual, he did not start right away. "I have 2 weeks," he thought. "I'll start tomorrow." Tomorrow came, and he spent the day playing cricket with his friends. "I will start on the weekend," he told himself. The weekend came, and he went to the market, watched movies, and slept late. "Still 1 week left," he said. "I will do it next Monday." Finally, the last 3 days were left. Alex rushed to gather materials, but the cardboard he needed was out of stock. The motor he wanted for the windmill was broken. He searched and ran around, but nothing worked as planned. He stayed up late night to build the model with the wrong materials, but it was weak and didn't spin. On the day of the science fair, he looked around at the other students' models. They were colorful, well made, and working perfectly. Alex's model looked dull, but it didn't even move. The judges walked by, asked questions, and tested the projects. When they came to Alex's table, they tried to spin the windmill, but it broke apart. One judge looked at Alex kindly and said, "You had a good idea, but it wasn't finished well. Why didn't you prepare earlier?" Alex looked down. "I wasted time," he said softly. The winners were announced, and Alex's name was not in the list. He felt sad, but more than that, he felt regret. That evening, his teacher came to him. "Alex," she said, "you are smart, you have good ideas, but that's not enough. You must also use your time wisely. This is like money. If you waste it, it's gone. You can never get it back." Alex nodded. Her words hit his heart like a stone. He realized how many chances he had missed. Not just this one, but many before. From that day, Alex changed. He started waking up early. He made a timetable and followed it. He divided his time for study, play, and rest. At first, it was hard, but slowly it became a habit. In class, he started doing his homework on time. He helped his parents without being told. He spent less time on games and more on learning new things. Months passed, and another competition was announced, an essay writing contest. Alex chose the topic, the value of time. This time, he started preparing from the first day. He wrote, rewrote, edited, and practiced reading his essay. When the day came, he was ready. He stood on stage with confidence and read his essay aloud. His words were simple and powerful. He told the story of how he wasted time once and what he learned from it. The audience clapped loudly. This time he won the first prize. After the event, his teacher smiled and said, "I'm proud of you, Alex. You have learned the most important lesson in life, the value of time." Alex grinned. "Yes, ma'am. I learned it the hard way, but I will never forget it." From the day on, Alex became a role model in his village. Younger students looked up to him. He always told them, "Time is like a train. If you miss it, you can't catch it again. So don't waste even a minute." Years later, Alex became a scientist. He built real windmills that gave electricity to villages. People respected him not just for his knowledge, but for his discipline and time management. One day, he visited his old school. He saw a boy sitting alone with a broken project. "Sir, I had a good idea, but I didn't finish it on time." Alex smiled and sat beside him. "I was just like you once, but I learned something that changed my life. Let me tell you a story." And he began again, the same story he lived once. Now a lesson for someone else. Moral of the story: time is the most valuable thing we have. It doesn't wait for anyone. Once lost, it can never be brought back. Success comes not only from good ideas, but also from using time wisely. If you respect time, time will reward you. Be strong, be brave, be safe. Thank you for watching.